Hello and welcome my friend, and next I like to show you that how to set up this Toyota Corolla or Toyota's this models, this clock. And now these year models are these 2007 and newer models like 2010 and 2015 and 2018 models. And what we need that clock set up, we need first this our key, and first I insert that key in this key lock, and then I insert power off, like turn off. And now we can see this this dashboard, and there is important that we can see those metrics. And then what I need to do next is to press that disp button, and there is small text also, and this is not the trip button. I need to only press that like once, and then in that area we can see that there are now these things, they start to rotate. And then in one way there is setup in that position. And let's look closer. And in that position I need to press that so many times that there is text setup, that amount. Okay, and now when we have this setup, next thing is that I have to press that button when we have this setup like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now there are new information in there, and let's go to look. Okay, and now we can see that there are clock, date, unit, language, back, and clock, date, units, language. And there is idea that when I press this button in here once, then this all things rotates. And now when they went away, I have to again go in this setup area in here, and then I press that 3 seconds, and then there is clock, and then I have to press that again 3 seconds in that way. And now there is this clock button in there, and we can go to look closer. And now there is this clock, and I press that 3 seconds, and now there is first this hours, and when I press that button in here, that switch in here, these numbers rotate. Look, that switch in here, when I press this time rotates, and now I set up in here like 12, and then when I like to change that another area, I need to only wait couple of seconds, and then it automatically it is like in there, and then I start to press that again in here, and then minutes are running, and then I insert in here 12 and 20. Okay, good. And then when there is 20, I take my switch away, and it automatically set up this time. Okay, good. And then in that position I need to only wait, and now there is time is okay. And this is this way that how I can set up times. And then my friend, thumbs up if you like that video.